In the quiet town of Ridgewood lived a boy named Liam who had lost more this year than any child should. His father had passed away, his mother worked day and night, and Christmas felt like a lesson season that no longer belonged to him. One icy evening, as he walked home through the silent snowfall, something drifted down from the sky. Not a snowflake, a letter, perfectly clean, perfectly white, no name, no stamp, no address, only one line. For the one who need lights the most. Liam swelled hard, his finger trembled as he opened it. Inside was a short message: follow the lights you cannot see. He did not understand it, but something inside him shifted, as if someone somewhere was calling him. Later that night, unable to sleep, Liam stepped outside again, and then he saw them, the golden sparkles floating in the air, so faint you could miss them. If you blinked, he followed the shimmering through the town, past empty shops, past the darkened church, and finally into the forest. The sparkles grew brighter until they stopped in front of an old abandoned cabin covered in snow. Liam heart bounded. He pushed the creaking door open and froze. Inside the cabin were dozens of handmade Christmas decorations, old, dusty, but full of soul. Paper lantern, hand-carved bells, and on a wooden table, a collection of beautiful crafted twigs, ornaments, twig star, twig angel, twig snowflakes, twigs wrapped in golden thread, held together with love and patience. Each craft had small tag on it, written in warm handwriting, made by my dad. Liam breath caught in his throat. He touched one twig star gently, the same style his father used to make every Christmas when he was alive. Then something unbelievable happened. The twig star glowed softly, and beside it, a second letter appeared as if from thin air. Liam opened it with shaking hands. The handwriting was his father. If you are reading this, it means you found the place where our memory is alive. Christmas is not gone, Liam. It's waiting for you to rebuild. Start with the twigs, the way we used to. Love with, guide the rest. Tears streamed down Liam's face. His father had made these twigs craft long before he passed away, as if he knew the day would come when Liam would need them. He picked up glowing twig star and held it to his heart. For the first time in months, he did not feel alone. Liam ran home carrying the box of twig crafts. He decorated the entire living room, twig star in the window, twig angel above the fireplace, twig snowflakes hanging from ribbons, a glowing twigs heart at the center of the room. When his mother come home, she gasped and covered her mouth. Liam, these are your